Morning friends, today we will draw this object on AutoCAD 3D, but our user interface is AutoCAD Classic mode. Firstly, to draw this object we will draw a rectangle of 35 into 45 by using rectangle command. Type REC, enter, specify a point, then for dimensioning press D, enter, just type 35, enter, 45, enter. You have drawn an object. Specify a coordinate in which you want to draw a rectangle. Just to change it into 3D, open a toolbar which is name is modeling toolbar. Just right click on draw toolbar and option click modeling. A modeling toolbar is open. Then this tool name is press pull. Click on the tool, click on the tool, click inside the rectangle and give the dimension. Just it is 30 mm. The type 30, press enter. We have drawn this. If you want to draw a half circle, a hollow circle at this portion, it is this portion. So take a circle command, take the center point of this, it is showing the midpoint, then draw a circle of 10 radius, type 10, enter. We have drawn this. Just take again press pull command, select this portion and pull it down, then it is a hollow surface is created. Then select the circle, delete this. Now you have to draw this portion. To draw this portion, just move your drawing by pressing shift button and the wheel in which direction you want. Just we have look at this face. Now to draw an arc at this surface, firstly you have to change your coordinate system x and y in this direction. Just draw an x in this direction and y in this direction. To change your axis, you have to use a UCS toolbar. Right click on draw toolbar, open a UCS toolbar. UCS. In UCS toolbar, use the option 3 point. Just click on 3 points, give it as a origin. This is your x direction, this is your y direction, and your z is standard fix. Now you have to take a gap of 10 mm here and 5 mm here. Just take a line command, click here, then draw 10, enter. You have drawn a line of 10 mm. Just take the line command again, click here and move up 5 mm, 5, enter. You have drawn a line of 10 mm here and 5 mm here. Now you have to draw an arc of 25 radius. Now for drawing an arc you have 2 points, start point, end point and radius. So you have to draw an arc with start and radius. To draw this arc, go in draw toolbar and arc option, and there is an option of start and radius. Click on this point, then it is your start point, it is your end point, and the radius is 25. Enter. You are seeing that an arc is drawn. You have just press pull this, just select this. If you move in this direction, yes, you are seeing that z direction is forward, but you have to move this in this direction, so you have to give the input in minus. So press minus 30, enter. You have drawn your option. Now yes, you may rotate this view cube to check the drawing you have drawn. Let's, you may see your drawing is completed. So thank you friends.